Anyway, from now on, I will make sure to record the lectures in person, both in-person lectures and makeup lectures. Okay. So anyway, I will upload the in-person lectures during the regular hours like this, and I will sometimes give you what? Makeup lectures, because sometimes I have to travel. Okay. So you can call me as an educator, but also you can call me as a researcher. That's why I have to travel sometimes to give a talk. Okay? So please understand these situations. In that case, I gotta give you the makeup lectures. Okay? Instead of in-person lectures. But before that, I will give you an announcement. Okay? All right. And here, I will upload the lectures, but the caveat here is that I will upload those for 2 weeks only. And now, here's the question. Please ask me why. Anyone? Why? Why do I do that? Hey teacher, why not you upload these lectures for the entire semesters? Why not? Why not? Because if that happens, what's going to happen for you guys? You will watch those lectures. When? Only just a day before the midterm exam and a day before the final exam, right? Right? So please do not rely on the uploaded lectures. Okay, so please digest all the course materials while I'm conducting the lectures. Okay, it's not really difficult. This class is not really difficult compared to what? The basic circuit theory. Okay, if I give you the easy comparison. Okay, this class is much easier than the basic circuit theory, right? Why should I say that? Why did I say that? Because the basic circuit theory requires a lot of math, right? A lot of math. What else? What else? That's all, right? That's all. So in this class, I think you should know how to analyze the circuit more deeply than the basic circuit theory. It's a little bit different. Okay? In that sense, this class is easier and more fun. Okay? More fun. Anyway, so I will upload the recorded lectures only for 2 weeks. Okay? In that case, you're not gonna delay watching these lectures, right? That's why. Okay? So do you want me to extend the period a little bit more? Or make it shorter? What is your opinion? You guys seem so quiet. So do you want me to upload those recorded lectures for a week? Raise your hand. Only for a week? What about 2 weeks? Raise your hand. 3 weeks. It's almost even. 4 weeks. None, right? So 4 weeks. Again, let me do this again. So let's decide between 2 weeks and 3 weeks. Okay? 2 weeks. Raise your hand. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Fair enough. Okay, so I will upload the lectures for 3 weeks. Okay? Sounds fair? Okay. 3 weeks. Okay, 3 weeks. Okay. Hey, so here's the grading policy. This is the most important for you, right? Right? So we will have some, maybe like 5 to 6 homework assignments and 2 piece projects. Okay? That are worth 20%. Okay, 20%. And midterm exam is worth 30% of the raw total. Okay? What else? Final exam 40%. Attendance 10%. Okay? Attendance 10%. So you guys are mostly sophomore, right? Sophomore. I know. You guys are in general super busy, right? Super busy during the semester. So I will allow you to miss 3 hours for the entire semester without the deduction of the points. Okay? I know you guys have to hang out with your friends, girlfriends and boyfriends, whatever, right? And you guys have to drink every day, right? I know, I understand that. You guys have to enjoy the academic life, right? University life, whatever, right? That's why I can give you free 3 hours to miss this class, okay? But you cannot go beyond that, okay? So after missing 3 hours, hey teacher, so please clarify this. So 3 hours means if you miss entire week, you miss 3 hours, okay? Not 3 times, okay? Don't get confused, okay? 3 hours, 1 week, okay? So after that, after 3 hours, you will be deducted 1% per absence and 0.5% for the tardiness. Okay, again, the attendance check will be done by the electronic attendance system. And also, attendance shrinkage will result in 0 points. I know, some of you guys tap 5 different ID cards on the electronic attendance checking system. In that case, hey teacher, how can you identify who is cheating this type of things? So if you were me, what are you gonna do? Okay? What are you gonna do? So if I see many missing spots, then I will give you a roll call again. Just checking the attendance manually. So if the electronic attendance systems and the manual calling do not match, what's going to happen? You will automatically have F grade. Okay? Cheating is not allowed in this class. Okay? So please be honest. Okay? So please follow what? University policy. Right? And please follow what? The university honor code. Okay? In that case, I will respect you guys as much as I can. Okay? And if you show me your efforts then I can give you A grade. Okay? Isn't it fair? Yeah, so please show me efforts. Okay, and be honest. That's all I want from you guys. Alright? And again, cheating and copy of exams and project will result in F. Grades cannot be changed once they are posted. What does that mean, teacher? So at the end of the day, I will assign you the final letter grade. Okay? Then some students negotiate with me about, can you raise the grade by 1 spot higher or something like that? What should I do? I shouldn't do that, right? I shouldn't do that. Why? Because the fairness, academic fairness, is the most important factor to be considered, right? That's why. That's why. I want things to be fair. Okay? That's why. Alright? And, this is important. So, I will assign you the final grade based on the absolute grading system. Okay? I'm not gonna curve. Okay? And when I assign you the final letter grade, here are some examples. A plus, A0, B plus, B0, C plus, C0, D plus, D0, and F. Something is missing, right? What is it? Minus grade. Okay, minus grade. Why? So, when you consider A grade, the first digit has to be what? 4, right? But A minus start with 3. So you feel like, well, when you get on A minus, what do you feel? You feel like you receive what? B grade, right? So you feel really sad, right? You feel really sad. So here, I just can read off minus grade. Okay, so here's the free of grade. Okay, so when you're in these minus level grade, then I will upgrade this grade to what? A0, B0, C0, and D0 respectively. Sounds fair? Sounds fair? Alright. I know you guys are not happy with minus, right? Yeah, I know the reason as well. And what else? Oh, so here's the grading examples. Okay. Student 1, we have 3 students. Student 1, 2, 3. Okay. So student 1 earned 60 and 60 for midterm and final respectively. So that, but then exam average was 60. Okay. And if you take a look at student 2, he or she earned 120 for midterm and final respectively. But here, the midterm score is 100, the final score is 20. So the grade has been dramatically declined. Okay, now let's take a look at the student 3. In this case, it's totally opposite. Okay, so student 3 earned 20 for his or her midterm score. But then, for his final, he or she earned 100. Okay? So grade has been dramatically inclined. But the averages for these students are the same. So if you were me, what would you assign for each student? What grade would you assign? Please let me know. Student 1. Please tell me your opinion. A. Sorry about that. B plus. What about student 2? You tell me. B0. Oh, that is good. That is good answer. But sorry. C plus. What about the student 3? You are a genius, yes. Oh, yeah, sorry. It should be A plus. Okay, A plus. So, what I'd like to deliver, the message here is what? So even though you mess up with the first midterm exam, do you have to be disappointed? No, not at all. Not at all. Okay, not at all. You have one more chance, right? You have one more chance, right? So if you show me progress, huge progress over time, I will definitely upgrade your letter grade. Okay? So in this case, it's rather drastic, but if you, for example, improve 80 points, then I will definitely give you A plus. Okay? Why? Because you guys are not just normal engineers, right? What are you guys? You guys are super duper genius, Yonsei genius, right? Yonsei engineers, right? So Yonsei engineers always show what? The progress over time. Okay? There is a good behavior. There is good engineer's behavior, right? That's why, in that case, I respect. Okay, I totally respect. Okay, so please show me your reports. Okay, progress over time. So, hey teacher, if I get 0 on the midterm exam, should I drop this class? Some student asked me actually in the previous semesters. No, you don't have to. You don't have to. I'm the one of the people who really watch what? The progress. Okay? Okay? So you don't have to drop this class. Okay? You don't have to drop this class. If you drop this class, what is going to happen? You will mess up with your curriculums, right? That's why by retaking this class, okay? I don't want you to mess up with this class, mess up with your curriculums, okay? That's why. And here's the types of distribution curves for the exams. So if you take a look at the top left image. Okay, so this is the difficult exam. In that case, people are located here, mostly. Okay, is this fair exam? Why not? Why not? Because center students study harder than these guys, right? But they have the same grade, right? What about this case? Exam is too easy. Then most of you get what? High grade, right? High scores. Is this fair exam? I don't think so. Right? Right? So, in my opinion, the ideal exam is what? The curve with some kind of what? What kind of distribution is this? Gaussian distribution, genius, yes. Or bell curve, normal curve, whatever you want to say. Okay? So this is the ideal exam. Why? So I'm trying to make this type of ideal exams with Gaussian distribution. Why? Hey teacher, why are you doing this? Why am I doing this? You tell me. To be fair for everyone, right? To be fair for everyone, right? So here's the first exam statistic last year. What do you feel? So average was 60. Median was 60. It's exactly centered. It's not skewed any directions. Right? Immediately you see that. What do you feel? It looks beautiful, right? It looks beautiful, right? And I'm not gonna make the exam that you can obtain 100, right? So 92 was highest. Okay. Anyway, this was good. This was good. So I'm gonna make the exam curve like this. Okay, I try to make this. Okay. What else? And let me tell you how to be successful in this class. So you gotta know what active devices are. So on the other hand, in basic circuit theory, what do you have learned? You tell me. Oh, what about you, genius? Anyone who remember about the basic circuit theory? What do you guys learn? What did you guys learn back in basic circuit theory? Passive device, right? Passive devices such as capacitor, what? Inductors and resistors. Okay, that's all. So if Samsung recruiters or TSMC or Apple, they ask you, what is the difference between electronic circuit 1 and basic circuit 2? All you have to tell here is, we learn about passive devices in the basic circuit theory. On the other hand, we learn about active devices in the electronic circuit 1. Okay, that's all you have to say. And please focus on what I'm saying. Okay. If you focus on what I'm saying, you will do great on your midterm and final exams. Okay? So please remember this. So please. Okay? What else? Do your homework. Okay? If you do your homework by yourself, you will be successful. What else? Please log in me and TAs. Okay? So some people think that asking questions makes me fool. No. Okay? There is no stupid question, at least in this class. So please ask me. Please stop me and ask me questions. Okay? So do not look around other students. Okay? Please raise your hand. Ask me questions. What else? Do not give up. I will see your progress over time. So do not give up. Do not drop this class. Okay? What else? Oh, I have an announcement. So there is no in-person lecture on this Thursday. Okay, I gotta attend the conference. Okay, so I will upload the recorded lecture and you must view video within 3 weeks to be marked as attended. And For the next lecture, I will review basic circuit theory during the lecture. Okay? Sounds good, right? Anyway, thank you for your attention. You have a great day. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please let me know.